Welcome to Natural Forages. Today we are at a beach near Mangalore to experience the benefits of walking barefoot on wet sand along the seashore. It is a cloudy evening, but the sunset it's going to be a beautiful contrasting sunset. You can see kids enjoying. All you have to do is walk on wet sand along the seashore. So you can walk on a surface like this, or where there is some water, where there is some standing water, or you could just keep your feet where the waves touch gently, where the waves just touch you gently on your feet. Hopefully we'll have a wave soon. Yes. While experiencing the waves touching your feet, the sand moving under your soles, it is a relaxing experience by itself. The sound of waves is calming. The salt water touching your feet helps in removing any negativity or negative charges that you might have attracted from the surroundings. The feeling of fatigue is relieved. Circulation is improved, especially because of the constant pressure of wet sand on the soles, which contain a lot of acupressure points. Salt water or sea water is very useful for healing, for improving circulation, for especially those people who have reduced sensation in the lower limbs or in the feet. In case of a poor muscle strength in your feet and legs, you can definitely try walking along the wet seashore. The salt in this atmosphere, so usually when you go to the beach, air contains a lot of salt, and this by itself helps open up your lungs. In case of any trapped mucus, it is expelled out very easily. You are able to breathe freely, and definitely you will be able to sleep much better after a nice walk on the wet seashore. So here we are, reaping the benefits of wet seashore and sunset. All those who live along the beach or near the beach definitely do visit the seashore once a week to enjoy the benefits of this sea water dip. If the water is not too strong, if the waves are not too strong, you can also sit in this water for half an hour or 20 minutes. Again, this improves the circulation and also helps in improving the digestion. If you do not have a sea near your house or near where you stay, you can also use a saline dip, or you can immerse your feet in water to which sea salt has been added. But definitely a visit to the beach is a must to enjoy the benefits of a well balanced solution and its healing properties. Remember, if you live near the sea, definitely experience this healing at least once a week for half an hour. You can also sit in this water, in this sea water, or take a swim for added benefits like improved digestion and detoxification all over the body. Please like, share and subscribe, and remember to leave your valuable comments in the comment box. Try it to believe it. Thank you.